Did you accidentally finalize an invoice in Zoho Books? Learn how to convert it back to draft in under 2 minutes. First, we'll open Zoho Books and navigate to the invoice. Then I'll show you the exact steps to convert it to draft and verify the change. Open Zoho Books in your browser. Click on the Sales module from the left sidebar. Select Invoices to view your list of invoices. Pick an invoice you want to convert. For example, the one dated 17 June 2026. Click the Convert to Draft button to begin the process. A dialog will appear. Type any notes you'd like to add. Click Convert to Draft again to confirm. Verify that the invoice status has changed to draft. And that's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.